What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the RA Visuals YouTube channel, and today we got more Pokemon. We are going to be opening an entire booster box of the new set, Battle Styles. So let's see if we can get any pack luck out of this guy. Okay, you guys, Battle Styles. Why have we chosen to go ahead and do Battle Styles? Well, it's the newest set, and I know a lot of you guys want to see this, and I've been seeing that the pull rates in certain packs are actually very hard. A lot of the gold cards a lot of people want are pretty hard to get, so we can see maybe today, maybe if I get some good luck on my box. And I want to show you this too. I actually went to the store to get myself a binder to put my collection in for this set right here, and I ended up buying a couple of packs, just kind of like when I was a kid. I bought like 3 packs just at random, and I started putting a few cards in my binder because, guys, part of the fun of this for me is literally collecting the cards and just like having a good time just collecting the entire set. What I got out of those packs already, let me show you guys this real quick. I already pulled a Corviknight V and a Corviknight VMAX. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. Out of 3 packs, 2 of those packs had a V and then a VMAX in it. But anyway, let's get this booster box open and see what kind of luck we can get. So here we go. Here is our booster box. Let's go ahead and peel it open for the first time. Let me try not to damage anything. This is always my favorite part, trying to do this, and they wrap these crazy now. Okay, there we go. Okay, boom. Anyway, guys, so I know Pokemon isn't like the thing I do on my channel like all the time. It's just something different that I like to do, because I always tell you guys I like to do a lot of different stuff on my channel, because, you know, I don't like to pigeonhole myself into doing just like one thing because I get bored of it. So this is just something to take my mind off computers and tech and do something different. So here is our booster box right here, full of all these packs. So guys, this is gonna take us a while. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this as quickly as I can right here and show you guys. Okay, so now that our box is open, let's go ahead and just start pulling, guys. Let's not waste any time. Let's go. We got like 2 packs just sitting here in the front. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what my gold card was. I think it's the Tyranitar, and probably the Tyranitar like that looks like he ate too much at a buffet or something like that. It looks like a fun card to open, so maybe that one. Let's open some packs, guys. Let's have some fun here, and let's get into some more Pokemon goodness. As always, guys, I don't know, maybe I'll do the card tricks and whatnot too still, and make this, you know, as quick as I can here. So let's go ahead and go like that. There we go, and let's get this going. Leaf Energy, Carnivine. Ooh, these are actually kind of cool. So I'm gonna get excited about all these, because if I haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna actually get kind of excited about it. Super weird card. Shieldbert, Bisharp, Chimecho, Honedge, Horsey. There's one that I know from like back in the day. That's a cool one. Mankey. There's another one I know from back in the day. So you guys can see that they have the single strike and the rapid strike on them. And then we got ourselves a reverse Yamper. And holy crap, we got a full art on our first pack. You know how they said that the luck is pretty hard to come by in this one? I'm getting lucky already, you guys. Look at that. There is a full art Karina's Focus right there, rapid strike. What is she, skating on the water or something? That's kind of funny. There is a full art already. That's pretty insane. So we'll go ahead and throw that over here. All right, let's keep on going here. So yeah, hopefully you guys, like I said, hopefully you guys are, some of you enjoy the Pokemon openings and whatnot. I know it's not tech, I know it's not, you know, what I normally do on the channel, but it's something different and keeps me from getting bored. So here we go.
20 minutes later.
Almost knocked over our curtain, so I gotta put this over here so I don't get it. I forgot sleeves, guys. I know, I suck. I'll grab them in a second. All right, here we go. Last pack of Missile Stack. Ooh, might be a good one. Let's see, check the centering of this card. That looks good. All right, here we go. Dark Energy, Indeedee, Phoebe, Carnivine, Baltoy, Gligar, Salandit, Bronzor, Cacnea. We got a reverse uncommon Bisharp. Very cool. I don't even know what that is. He's got like little rockets on his hands or something. That's funny. And then we also got we got a rare Luxray holographic. That's a cool looking card. He's got like a little star for a tail. That's pretty cool. He's got a rapid strike and everything like that too. That's a very cool looking card. I like that one. Nice. Well, that's a new one. Very cool. New one for the collection. And finish off this side of the box with these last, what is it? 5 packs. Let's go ahead and do these real quick. And that'll be the first side. So I feel like we're running through this, guys, but again, like you gotta get through it. I don't know. I don't want to make this video like last hours, so yeah, I want to try to get through this for you. So Leaf Energy, or Grass Energy, whatever you call it. Pignite, I think that's a new one. Level Ball, Morpeko, Mankey, Slowpoke again, Fomantis, Remoraid, Cubone, Mom on his head, and we got a Glameow, little reverse, and then our rare, I think it's gonna be good. Oh, we got a Tapu Koko V. There we go. All right, the luck has sort of returned. We got something. We got another V card right there. Very nice looking card right there. Some cool little moves right there, and yeah, looks really nice. So yeah, maybe we'll get the Tapu Koko VMAX next. But there you go, guys. So far we got two good, you know, like good hits right now. That's about it. So yeah, everything that everyone's been saying about this set has been holding true. It's pretty tough. I don't know if it was just like that first shipment of the cards or what, man, but yeah, this set is just crazy. All right, Lightning Energy, Indeedee, Mr. Krabs, Tower of Water, Silly Cobra, Frillish, Houndour. There we go. It's good to have those. Scatterbug, Honedge, and we got a Grumpig reverse and another Jellicent. Ending out that half of the box. All right, let's go ahead and go to the other half. Okay, guys, first half of the box, all we got so far are these two hits right here. We got a full Arcrunas Focus and a Tapu Koko V. So far, that's it. That is all we've gotten, and we got just the next half of the box left, so we might have got skunked on our box, but you know what? That's fine. Again, like I said, I just want to collect these two, so let's go ahead and grab a few packs and get them open. So here we go.
Many hours later.
Okay, Psychic Energy, Purugly, Tower of Darkness, Girder, Timber, Slowpoke, Mini Mr. Krabs, Salandit, Roly-Coly, ooh, a reverse Victory Bell rare, and we got a Necrozma V. Dude, that is a sick looking card. Look at that. Look at that prismatic, like the RGB right there. Yeah, he's even got, oh, he's got a, that's why I said that. He's got a move this prismatic ray. That's very cool. And a spectral laser. Cool. That's a really cool looking card, man. I like that a lot. Oh man, you guys, what is going on? All right, we're down to our last bit of packs here. This is all we got left. All right, well, can we pull some fire? Maybe. Maybe it's just saving it for the last few, maybe last pack magic. All right, you know what I mean? Like maybe we're supposed to get some last pack magic here. Water Energy, Morpeko, Durant, Colonel Mustard again, Timber, Mini Mr. Krabs, Cacnea, Mawile, Spoink. We got a reverse Vivillon rare, which is dope, and okay, we got one. We got the Rapid Strike Urshifu VMAX. I mean, okay. All right, I was saying we didn't really get much, but that's a good card. Okay, we actually got one of the Urshifus. That's really sick. Look at that card. That's really cool looking, guys. I really like that a lot. I think we're pulling fire at the very end. Like I said, this is what's happening now. Metal Energy. Dark Energy, sorry. Luxio, Spoopa, Colonel Mustard, Pachirisu, Cherubi, Mindfu, Silly Cobra, Mr. Mime, another reverse EXP share, and I told you, they're coming out now. Single Strike Urshifu V. There we go. That is so cool looking. Look at that. It's hiya! Very nice. That is a really cool looking card. All right, this next pack, let's see. Oh, there we go. Fire Energy. Every time we pull a Fire Energy, we get lucky. I'm telling you. Pignite, Waves, Dottler, Cacnea, Pawniard, Timber, Tepig, Glameow. Ooh, reverse rare Steelix. That's a new one. Haven't pulled that yet. Very cool. And we got another one. Flapple. I don't know if this one's super sought after, but that's a funny name. What is he, an apple creature? Oh my lord. But we pulled another VMAX, you guys. That's crazy. G-Max Rolling. And we're down to our last 3 packs here, so that might have been our last good pull. I'm not gonna lie. I think our luck is probably out at this point, given what it's been in this opening so far. So we'll see. We'll see if, you know, they want to grace us with anything else. So here we go. Psychic Energy, Scroll of Swirls again, Cacturn, Rapid Strike Energy, Lickitung, Zubat, Remoraid, Onix, Mawile, ooh, a Reverse Dottler, and a Kricketune V. So our luck is not out yet. We still got some more. Either way, that's a kind of a weird, it's like a cricket with a mustache. funny card, funny looking card. But the art, again, I love it, man. Very cool, little moon in the background and whatnot. Very, very nice. All right, last pack. Can we get some last pack magic? Here we go. Fighting Energy. That means we're fighting to get something good, you know what I'm saying? All right, EXP Share, Karkle, Dottler, Cherubi, Pachirisu, Chimecho, Honedge, Horsey, spitting water out of its mouth. Ooh, that is really cool. We got an NT reverse rare. That's a really cool card. Love that one. So I'm already happy with that. That's a cool looking card. I remember that from way back in the day. And then our very last pull is a Corviknight V, which I already have, but that's okay. That's awesome. Last pack magic, got another V card. So let's do a quick recap of what we got in this opening really quick. All right, guys, as far as our pulls, we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We actually got 8 as far as V cards. We got a Corviknight V. We got a Kricketune V. We got a Single Strike Urshifu V. And then we also got a Necrozma V, a Tapu Koko V. And then as far as our really crazy hits, we got a Flapple VMAX right there. An Urshifu VMAX, which I think this might be like a secret rare, actually. And then we got a Karina's Focus full art trainer right there. So hey, either way, guys, I think we still got more than what we were like supposed to get on average. So as far as battle styles go, I still think we got lucky. So I'm happy with it. I can't wait to put all these in my binder and see where we're at with my collection. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this opening. If you guys enjoy Pokemon openings, make sure you guys like the video. And if you guys want to see more of my content, not just Pokemon cards, but all my tech content I do on the channel, make sure you guys get subscribed with those notifications on so you don't miss any of my uploads. And I'll see you next time. Later.